So what's going on, everyone? I'm going to show you how today we were able to look and trade, NFP. Okay, for me, definitely, I usually don't trade news, but I usually wait for news to happen, then I trade news. As you can see, these are live trades that are happening right now. Gold hitting 2000, man, hitting 2000. Okay, like this is some good analysis. This was a very good prediction. So you can see NFP happened. A lot of people, you get into a sell here, you are out to the sell. um but I usually trade after news the whole day. If you take a look on my Telegram group, I had this was the move that I was waiting for. Okay, I'll be able to share gold prediction. Okay, here, gold prediction. I was waiting for this move, a break, and then a push to the up. Okay, US30, it was either a break from below or a break of this zone, and then we are going up. Okay, so what happened? If you take a look at, both trades are actually playing out well. Both trades are actually playing out well. You can see US30, you're waiting to buy it above that zone. So you usually wait for news to play out. After news has played out, it manipulates the way it wants to manipulate. After manipulating the way it wants to manipulate, and I think we can just close this trade before we continue. So after news manipulates the way it wants to manipulate, what happens now is price moves towards a particular direction. Price moves towards the direction that you're actually looking at. So how did we do the analysis? Okay, how did we do that analysis? I'll really be able to, let me break it down for you guys. Okay, let me break it down. And also for US30, I believe as soon as it breaks here, we're going to still, as soon as this candle closes here, this can be a buy, another buy from here. Continue moving up as soon as you get a break, this candle closing here. So let me show you how I did, how this analysis was. So as I usually do is I usually take a look at my higher time frame. I usually look at weekly. Okay, so on the weekly time frame, I want to take a look at price action. Where is price moving? Price is actually bullish. I can see there weekly, and then I can see here daily. On the daily time frame, we can be able to see that price is actually interacting with our EMA here. Okay, after price is able to interact with our EMA, we can be able to see on our forwards time zone, uh, on our 4 hours time frame, we can be able to see our EMA is actually here. Okay, our EMA is actually there, interacting with our 4 hours zone. So I'll just mark this as F4H. And then on the 1 hour time frame, I can be able to see on my 1 hour time frame, I think I'm targeting at least this zone. Okay, so you can be able to see we had a bearish move. Definitely we had a bearish move, but before price continues moving down, we definitely have a retracement. Okay, so after that, take a look at on my 15 minutes time frame. On my 15 minutes time frame now, what am I really looking at? Okay, we have seen news has played out. You can be able to see on my 15 minutes zone, at least I'm waiting for price to close above this. Okay, so first entry is here, and then my next entry will be if price closes above, this zone here, we're going to buy start. And you can see actually price has closed above that zone, so I'll be able to get into a buy here as we are with you on this call. Okay, and news is gone, news is played out, so we'll be targeting around 80 pips from here. We'll be targeting around 80 pips. So I'll be able to share with you the results of this trade, how it will play, how it will play out. Looking at stop, that is our stop loss. So that is the buy that we are looking at. Okay, The other one is on gold. How did we take the gold trade, the gold buy? This is the buy that I was looking for from morning. From morning, I was really looking for it. And you can see, I said, if we get a break of this low, that is the only way you can consider selling. But we didn't get a break of this low. So I was just waiting to see where price is rejecting. Okay, so let's just do a top-down analysis for gold also to just see how it goes. Actually, the whole of this week, I've not been able to have any stop loss on gold. I've not been able to have any stop loss on gold. So weekly time frame, on the weekly time frame, I usually start with the weekly time frame. We want to have a top-down analysis. On our top-down analysis, we have here is interaction with our EMA, and then we have our zone here, daily zone. And then we have our 4 hours zone. So our 4 hit zone will definitely mark it here as the 4 hour zone. Okay. And then after that, we want to see on our 1 hour zone here, our 1 hour zone, you can be able to see where price is actually interacting with the EMA, which will actually be here. And then we'll take a look at the M15. Okay, M15, which this is the 1 hour, and then this is the 1 hour here, and then this is the M15 here. Okay, so what are you waiting for? We will be able to see that gold is bullish. Gold has been able to create. So here gold was able to break this high. Okay, so if gold was able to break this high, so we had NFP. So with NFP, we don't know where gold will be able to react from. Okay, gold may react from this zone here, or it may react from this zone here, from this low here. Okay, so anything below this, uh, anything below this, we can actually consider to sell gold. But anything above this, we just consider buying it. Okay. So when price came reacted to this zone, we were waiting for just a candle to close above this zone here. Okay. And you can be able to see we had a candle that closed above this zone here. And that is where I entered for this buy. And it was able to hit our take profit, having our target being this zone here. And that is how we were able to execute both of our trades. And I like it. All right. So if you want to get into my mentorship, just check on the link below, check on the description below. I'm giving out an offer right now. It's only $49. Can be able to show you how exactly you're able to take this kind of trades consistently every single day, and you are able to become profitable. See you on the other side. I'm really looking forward to see you on the mentorship group. Have a good time.